Welcome to Mitel's CRM connector integration for Salesforce. We are excited for you to see how seamless the transition between CRM and customer engagement can be. The CRM connector is an embedded web application that allows contact center agents and back office users the ability to control their phone within the Salesforce application. Over the next few minutes, we will demonstrate initial logon to the Salesforce web app, initiating and receiving voice calls with caller identification, screen pop-up, click to dial, call logging, and some additional features that can be offered within the integration. The CRM connector can be launched from within the browser of your choice, within the guidelines for Salesforce browser compatibility. Mitel can offer the integration into Salesforce Classic and Lightning web app versions. On initial launch of the web app, you can see the phone user interface, located to the bottom left of the screen. The UI can be minimized and maximized within its designated location. If the preference is to move the UI, it can be popped out, moved, and opened in a separate window or easily restored back to its fixed location. Logging into the phone will be customer-specific. In this demo, we will be using a desk phone. The CRM is deployed in a MyCC for business environment. The UI might look familiar for those who already work with MyCC for Business and WebIgnite. The connector can also be installed with MyCC Enterprise or with an OIG for MyVoice business users. The UI allows for seamless transition between Make Busy states. To remove a busy code, select the X button and the agent status changes to idle. Initiating the Make Busy code can be done by selecting the down-facing arrow, choosing from one of the available busy or D&D codes. Agent group presence changes can also be made from within the UI. At present, email is not supported within the CRM connector. However, if access to Ignite is required, the Ignite pop-out button can be selected and Ignite will open in a new tab, automatically logging the agent in. Searching for contacts within the UI is easy. By entering a phone number or a name, the connector queries both the MyCC and the CRM to find a list of associated records related to the search and returns them in the dropdown. Call control features that are offered with the connector are as follows: hold, hang up, dial pad, consultation call, blind transfer, invite, open Ignite, classification or account codes. Whilst on an active call, the caller identification information is displayed. The name of the customer if it is saved in the contacts, the customer's number, along with the number the customer dialed to reach us. To note, caller ID information can also be passed through the CRM connector as IVR variables, getting agents more details about the call. One of the CRM connector's key features is screen pop-up. In front of us, we are about to receive a customer call from a customer we hold no contact information for. As a result, we do not see a screen pop-up. To achieve a pop-up, the customer has been added as a contact by selecting the Create button under the CRM in the UI. The button opens an Add Contact page, pre-populating the customer information that has been received in the call. By default, screen pop is initiated based on a match with a phone number. Another call is received from the same customer, but this time there is a screen pop as the connector has found an associated phone number within the CRM that we recognize. The CRM connector supports click to dial functionality. Within the contact card, situated across the top, we can see a phone number. The phone number has a blue phone icon located to the left of the number. On selection of the phone, you will notice that the connector has initiated a call in the phone UI. Whilst performing a contact search, like our contact card, a blue phone appears to the right of the contact name. Selecting the phone here will also initiate a call using the click to dial functionality. If at a point your phone is not available, you will notice that the click to dial feature will no longer work. The icon that was once blue now appears to be grayed out with a line crossed through the phone. This can be resolved by simply logging back into your device. Call logging is an available feature within the connector. It can be configured to automatically prompt call handlers at the end of a customer call, or it can be done manually. To add a log to a call, we use the CRM Call Log button, which is the button that looks like a file. Upon selecting the button, you will notice 5 more colorful buttons. These buttons are call log templates, which can be customized and used to quickly change the default subject and comments of the call log entry. For this example, Template 1 will be added to the call by selecting the Save button. There are many ways to view the note. First, by navigating to the right of the contact card and selecting the call log from the upcoming and overdue list. It can also be accessed within the phone UI window by selecting Call Log and the Open button, which looks like a pencil. Notice the Call Log window pops into display. Finally, in the phone UI window under CRM, the Open Pencil button is also displayed. Select the button, and at the bottom of the drop-down menu, a Call Log button will be available for selection. After pressing, the call log will be popped into display. The Salesforce CRM connector includes integration with MiContact Center Business, MiContact Center Enterprise, MyVoice Business, MyVoice Office 400, as well as Salesforce, Classic, Lightning, and Console integrations being available. Note that the MyVoice Business integration is via Mitel's Open Integration Gateway and requires a Windows server for enablement. There is call recording feature support for My Voice Call Recording and Mitel Interaction Recording. And as part of the Salesforce integration, the connector has the ability to control omni-channel interactions, allowing for the omni-channel Salesforce state to be set when handling a call, or set the agent state when handling an omni-channel session. The CRM connector now supports multimedia integration within the connector. There is support for chat, SMS, with email soon to follow. Phone interactions can be handled within the CRM connector. Mitel Professional Services also offer integrations into other CRM, such as Dynamics, Zendesk, Oracle Customer Experience Cloud, ServiceNow, and Zoho. Adaptations to other CRM can be developed via inquiry. Thank you for watching.